We all want our loved ones to be safe, but an active shooter could threaten their lives any day, and the risk is growing. In the event of a shooting, first responders rely on 911 calls. However, 911 reporting does not provide information to on-site security guards. It is often delayed until a caller reaches safety and doesn't provide real-time visual intel to first responders, making coordinated emergency response extremely difficult and often resulting in preventable loss of life. In contrast, Defendry changes everything. Defendry reports threats in multiple ways. Ideally, if someone recognizes a threat before it becomes violent, they can send tips directly to on-site security via the Defendry SeeSay App. But in case no one reports the shooter, Defendry's powerful AI system watches all on-site security cameras 24/7 to automatically detect threats. If a gun is detected, doors are immediately locked to prevent further entry by the culprit. Bulletproof laminate may also be installed to prevent forced entry through glass. If at first a shooter's gun is concealed to evade detection by cameras, it would be detected as soon as it's drawn. However, in case a shooter evades all forms of visual detection and begins shooting somewhere not monitored by cameras, the shots would be heard by Defendry gunshot detectors. No matter how a threat is detected, any images and location are immediately sent to Defendry's 24/7 human verification partner for review. If the threat is real, verified intel is quickly passed along to the on-site security guards, law enforcement, and civilians in harm's way. At the backbone of the Defendry system is our industrial-leading threat response platform called IoTalk. IoTalk is a communication, auto-tasking, and event creation platform that instantaneously responds to emergencies as they are detected by the AI system. It gives operations teams the ability to pre-plan every detail of how they want to respond to any type of threat. IoTalk can be used to coordinate response teams, alert police and emergency personnel, auto-lock doors, send mass notifications, generate activity reports, and more. In addition, all IoTalk data is saved in an encrypted blockchain, keeping it secure while providing an immutable record of all platform activity for future administrative and legal purposes. Because law enforcement can often be delayed, an additional key feature of IoTalk is the coordination of Defendry first responder drones. Always charged and ready to fly, Defender first responder drones can be launched at a moment's notice, autonomously tracking down a threat and confronting them with flashing strobes and blaring speakers to deter threats. Drone cameras also pass along critical visual and auditory information to first responders while flying, and an emergency-trained pilot can take over flying at any time to assist response efforts from the front line, helping make the threat easier to subdue and better defending both the lives of first responders and innocent civilians. Now is the time to protect those we love by strengthening active shooter defense. It's time for Defendry.